In this video, I'm going to tell you everything most people never learn about homeowners insurance until it's too late. In the next 3 minutes, I'll answer the most common questions homeowners ask and the ones that they don't know to ask. Yes, it probably is. Older roofs are seen as higher risk by insurance companies, especially if they're over 15 or 20 years old. Even if it's never leaked, the material's age can increase your premium or limit your coverage. Some carriers may even deny your renewal if your roof is too old. And here's a pro tip. If your roof is new or recently replaced, tell your insurance broker you might qualify for a discount. Well, it depends. And this is where people get caught off guard. If the leak is sudden and accidental, like a burst pipe, it's typically covered. But slow leaks, seepage, or damage that happens over time, like mold from long-term drip, are often not covered. The bottom line, if it's maintenance related, insurance likely won't help. Prevention is key. Replacement cost gives you the full amount to replace the items with the new version today. Actual cash value, also known as ACV, pays you what it's worth today, after depreciation. So if your 10-year-old TV is damaged, replacement cost equals a brand new TV. ACV may be $50. You want replacement cost. Your broker should add this coverage, or you should ask for it to be added to your policy. Many people won't know that their home insurance policy does not include replacement cost coverage until they file a claim. And then it's too late. Homeowners policies do not cover flood damage. That includes water from rising rivers, coastal storm surge, or rain that enters your home at ground level. To be covered for flood damage, you need a separate flood insurance policy. Even if you're not in a high-risk flood zone, you can still purchase a flood insurance policy. Probably not fully. Most homeowner policies limit business property coverage to $2,500 or less, and usually exclude liability for business activity entirely. If clients visit your home, or you store inventory or equipment there, you will likely need a home business endorsement or a separate policy altogether. Yes, if you want full coverage for your valuables and collectibles. But there are some jewelry-specific policies that are sometimes better priced. Your insurance broker can share with you the best way to insure your valuables. Most standard policies limit theft coverage for high-value items like jewelry, art, or collectibles, often as low as $1,500 in total. To fully protect these items, ask about scheduling them, adding them individually to your policy, or getting a separate personal articles quota. Is your home insured for what it would cost to rebuild, or just what it's worth today? There is a big difference, and it matters. Many people assume their home should be insured for what the market value or appraised value is. But that's not how insurance works. Your home should be insured for its full replacement cost. That means what it costs to rebuild the entire structure from the ground up using today's labor and materials. Think about it. Market value includes land, location, and market trends. But insurance is only covering the structure, not what your neighbor just sold their home for. Uncertain if you're insured correctly? Here's what to do. Review your dwelling limit with your insurance broker. Make sure it reflects the real-world replacement cost, not the purchase price or market value. If you've upgraded your kitchen, added square footage, or finished the basement, you need to update your coverage. And here's a pro tip. Ask your broker about adding a dwelling replacement cost guarantee rider that guarantees the full replacement cost of your home, even if the cost is more than what the insurance that you carry. This gives you peace of mind that if you ever have a total loss, your home will be fully replaced. At least your deductible, and possibly more. Your deductible is the minimum you'll pay, but there may also be coverage limits. Depreciation, if you have ACV coverage and not replacement cost coverage. Uncovered damage, policy exclusions. Before a claim happens, ask your insurance broker, what would this policy realistically pay out in the worst case scenario? I always say to find out what you're covered for, it's best to read the exclusions section of your insurance policy. If the coverage exclusion is not mentioned in the exclusions section of your policy, it most likely is covered. We're breaking it all down so you can protect your home, your savings, and your peace of mind. No jargon, no fluff, just straight answers. If you've never had a real insurance review, or if you're not sure what's actually on your policy, let's fix that. Vargas & Vargas Insurance. We love helping people like you protect what matters the most. Call, text, or email our team, all of which are in the description of this video. I thank you for watching.